Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to increase or decrease radio button font size in a fillable PDF from using Foxit PDF Editor. And say this is my radio button, I'll say this radio button size. Now select form option this menu bar and this left side top corner select option and select annotation and drag your mouse cursor and select all of the radio button. Or you can select a specific one and you can increase decrease the size or you can make all of them similar size. Drag all of them and press right button and select properties dialog box, select here size and both and see this. Also you can align horizontally and see this. In this way you can increase decrease a radio button font size. And finally select this file option, save or save as a fillable PDF form. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.